When we both realised that this problem needed solving, we were always going to just try and do it together. That was just a really natural pattern. What we've since done then is hire some of the greatest people that I've ever had the privilege of working with, that are coming here to do the work of their lives and really join the movement to solve a problem that just simply wasn't solvable before.
Businesses are creating more software in more places at a pace the old security review model was not built to understand. And yet security is still expected to somehow know what matters. The old shadow IT problem was SaaS and data moving around the business without the right controls. The new problem is shadow development. Software is now changing faster than security can always see. Continuous testing helps, but more testing does not automatically mean you are testing the right things. Security teams, engineering leaders, business stakeholders need to know something more useful than that. Cytix starts with the change itself.
A ticket is created, documentation is provided, a pull request follows, a release is planned, and all of these things contain useful context.
We use that context to qualify a change, understand its risks, route the right response, and then keep that evidence that the business can trust.
The important thing is the decision is tied back to the change, what was assessed, why it mattered, and what was validated. Cytix uses that context to decide whether security action is needed.
Very few CISOs I speak to really have control of change, or can honestly say that they feel that every change in their business is fully understood from a risk perspective.
Cytix was not built to be another AI pen testing company. We spent years inside testing and consultancy organizations delivering annualized pen testing for companies that needed confidence their systems were secure. The intention was right, but the model was flawed. Software did not change once a year. It changed constantly.
For enterprise leaders, the question isn't only if we tested, it's what changed. Who reviewed it? What action followed? And what evidence do we have now? That's the assurance question Cytix is built around. As software creation becomes more automated, enterprises need a security decision layer that stays attached to what is actually changing. It needs a better operating model around change.
So we built the thing that we wished existed, a way to connect software change to the right security response and the evidence the organization can stand behind. That's why Cytix exists.
Security change risk has always carried a latent risk, an invisible risk, right? If this was a medical condition, this is the kind of issue that you don't see when you wake up in the morning. You don't know you have it. That's why we've checked for these things every 12 months in the form of traditional pen tests. Yeah. There's reason to believe that there will be a lot more immediacy in terms of how security risks present themselves in systems, and then we will build the processes around them. My question to CISOs is, do we wait for that to happen and then go and build those processes, or do we foresee that happening and build the processes now?
The point is not to watch everything equally. The point is to understand which changes create real risk, what response is proportionate, and what evidence should remain afterwards. If AI-assisted development increases the pace of change, security needs a better operating model around change. This is what Cytix provides: a clearer view of the change that matters, a focused path to validation, and evidence the business can use.
That is how software change becomes understandable, actionable, and defensible.
Security understood.